cat right here. That's why she's slowing down right there. First round, we saw a black cat. We're on round 3 or 4, I don't know. Like I said, I look at the dog and she's not, like I said, you'll see like when she becomes an adult, who knows, she might do 10 of these rounds of jogging and running all out, and at least she won't be as bitey on the leash by then. I've decided I've got to where I just let her hold it in her mouth when she does grab it. Sit. Good girl. Let's go. Eventually, you know, these are the little fuck ups with puppies that get annoying, but it's like you got to keep it cool, because you can't, I mean, you can punish them if they're grabbing it too much and doing stuff. You can correct them to an extent, but if you correct a dog too much during what's supposed to be play to them, it could cause you problems later on. So, you let them learn with exception. She should be getting tired by now, though. Before, she was out ahead of me again, which, I mean, of course, this UTV can go fast enough. You just can't get up fast enough. But once they start pacing themselves a little more, and all that playing doesn't help her with her wind, but she doesn't know that yet.